CNN News. I'm Lane Buckler, and breaking news. A new scientific research shows that grounding, a relatively new practice, heals wounds faster. In the background of the study, scientists used a conductive ground patch to an injury. They observed the effects of conducting electrons from the earth to a subject's arm. Over the course of a couple days, the arm ultimately healed. They measured the blood cell counts, pain levels, magnetic resonance imaging, cortisol in serum and saliva, and general enzyme chemistry. Now, the scientists also measured tissue damage, pain measures, all ratios of metabolic rate and cellular damage, and their effects in hydrolysis of ATP. By regulating the antioxidant effects of electrons, the researchers were able to reduce the inflammation, muscle stiffness, and overall pain of several injuries. For more on the story, we go to Lilian Cavanagh, along with a research assistant outside of EarthFX Incorporated, where the pivotal study has taken place.
Thanks, Lane. I'm here with Jenita Joe, an assistant to researchers James L. Oshman, Gaetan Chevalier, and Richard Brown. So Jenita, tell me, you were involved in some sort of grounding study? What exactly happened at EarthFX?
Well, I think the results speak for themselves.
How did you conduct this study?
The study was conducted with 12 participants, myself included, for 8 weeks. This grounding process was done during our sleep. The scientists explained that the electrons involved are semi-conducted through the collision matrix and neutralize any free radicals that would normally damage nearby healthy tissues. So there is no overall inflammation. Without inflammation, it minimizes swelling and redness of my arm for a quick and easy recovery.
So Jenita, how will this contribute to the general public? Is this something an average person can use?
I do think that if you are electron deficient, you may need this sort of therapy to heal injuries, or if you fail to ward off infections. Because when I was in therapy, I was exhausting my immune system and causing cells to attack immune cells in my body. And scientists on the MRI told me that I lacked electrons, which can desaturate electron transport chains in the mitochondria and cause chronic fatigue and slowing of other activities in your body.
Oh my goodness. What conclusions were drawn from this study?
The scientists concluded that grounding the body during sleep yields quantifiable changes in diurnal and circadian cortisol secretion levels. Also, cortisol effects on glucocorticoid receptor resistance decreased, which prevented failure to downregulate inflammatory responses in chronic diseases, such inflammatory responses as seen on my arm. Right, and I'm so grateful I got treatment soon. I recovered over a quick period of time, a healing time that should have been weeks, but I got healed in a matter of days. And everyone should try electron therapy if they have a deep injury.
Well, there it is, and now back to you, Lane.
Thank you, Lily. That assistant, Jenita, seems to be proof that grounding therapy exists and can work to our advantage. Hopefully this kind of therapy can expand to normal, everyday medical hospitals that can heal injuries in the blink of an eye. I am Lane Buckler, reporter of CNN News, wishing you a great evening at Great Mountains and Southern Maryland.